The Department of Justice has appointed Joseph DeGenova, a former lawyer for President Donald Trump, to lead a high-profile inquiry. The investigation is looking into whether former federal officials committed crimes when investigating the president. DeGenova replaces a career prosecutor in Miami who was reportedly removed after objecting to parts of the investigation focused on former Central Intelligence Agency Director John Brennan. The case is expected to utilize a grand jury based in Fort Pierce, Florida, overseen by federal judge Aileen Cannon. Critics argue these moves show the Justice Department using unorthodox personnel decisions to target perceived political opponents. President Donald Trump has signed an executive order to accelerate the review of certain psychedelic drugs for treating mental health conditions like depression and anxiety. The president directed $50 million in federal funding to increase access to treatments involving psilocybin and ibogaine. The order requires the Food and Drug Administration to fast-track these drugs, potentially allowing for rapid approval in the coming weeks. During an Oval Office event attended by health officials and veterans, the president highlighted the success of early trials in treating post-traumatic stress disorder among active military personnel. Minnesota Representative Ilhan Omar is pushing back against reports of massive wealth, blaming a major accounting error for a recent financial disclosure that listed her family assets as high as $30 million. An amended filing now shows that the Congresswoman and her husband hold assets valued between $18,000 and $95,000. A spokesperson for Omar stated the initial error was unintentional and caused by a reliance on outside accountants. The sudden jump in reported wealth had previously drawn sharp scrutiny from House Republicans who demanded financial records tied to her husband's businesses.